Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to answer a Samsung Galaxy phone call. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have an incoming call on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's say you have this incoming call on your Samsung Galaxy phone, just like this. To pick up the call, just press and hold the green button and you see a kind of semicircle that pops. Then swipe up towards the top edge or top right edge of the call until it fills. Once it fills, you're gonna feel a vibration and then you're gonna pick the call. Now, if you want to put a call through on your Samsung Galaxy, all you need to do is open the dial app, then come here and type in the phone number you want to call, or better still, go to recent, select your recent calls, or go to your contact, and then it should say select callback SIM card. So go ahead and select the SIM card you want to use. If you have two SIMs on your Samsung Galaxy device, then you should say hit like this. Once it pops like this, then this is going to put a call through to the contact you are calling, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to answer call on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.